Hi, my name is Adam Funk, and I'm an attorney in Houston, Texas, who specializes in childbirth injury cases. You may have a baby that is currently in the NICU, and you may be thinking, the last thing I want to do is actually go and get a lawyer, retain him or her, and start the lawsuit process. I want to focus on my baby. I'm terrified about the results and what may come. And I don't want to have another layer of issues with a lawyer. And that's a very reasonable feeling to have, but I will tell you it is the wrong one. The reason being is because lawyers can help you. It is extremely, extremely important that you start the process now while your baby is in the NICU. Evidence is disappearing. It will hurt your case if you are not able to preserve it. For example, you may have had your placenta that was delivered after your baby sent to the pathology department. If that's the case, a pathologist is slicing your placenta and putting it on slides. Those slides are then microscopically evaluated to determine what exactly happened during the labor and delivery. This is a key piece of evidence that might get thrown out into the trash if you do not have a lawyer to get it preserved. Therefore, if your baby is still in the NICU, one of the most important aspects of calling a lawyer is to preserve evidence. The other thing that you might be worried about is if you get a lawyer and the lawsuit process starts, that you will have much more of a burden to deal with in addition to the medical issues that you are currently encountering. But that is not the case. A lawsuit process takes time. The first and foremost steps will be to order records, and that takes weeks, if not months, to actually receive. The next step is to hire specialists or expert witnesses to evaluate those records. Those experts will then create reports for and on behalf of you in your case. As you can imagine, these things take a lot of time, and your help and your involvement will not be necessary well into while your baby is in the NICU. Therefore, it is extremely important that you call an attorney, talk to an attorney. They will guide you through the process while your baby is still in the NICU and help you in every aspect. My name is Adam Funk. I'm an attorney that specializes in childbirth injury cases, and I've handled cases in which mom and dad and baby were sitting in the NICU and I came to help them out. Please give me a call so I can help you.